In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images for Etsy using Canva. This quick tutorial will help you make sure your images are the perfect size for your Etsy shop, enhancing your listings and attracting more potential buyers. Whether you're a seasoned Etsy seller or just starting out, making sure your images are properly formatted is crucial for maintaining a professional appearance. First, you need to be logged into Canva with a Canva Pro account. The reason you need a Pro account is because it gives you access to the Resize tool, which is essential for what we're about to do. Once you're all ready in Canva, navigate to the design you would like to resize. You'll notice a button at the top of the toolbar labeled Resize. Go ahead and click on that. This tool really simplifies everything because it allows you to change the dimensions of your design with ease while ensuring you don't lose any quality. After clicking on the Resize button, a drop-down menu will appear. Here's where you'll find the Custom Size option. This is important because it gives you the flexibility to input the exact dimensions you need for your Etsy shop. Now, Etsy recommends using images that are specifically 3,000 pixels wide by 2250 pixels tall. This particular size ensures that your images will remain sharp and have the clarity needed to stand out on the platform, capturing all the details that matter. Once you've accurately entered the dimensions of 3,000 by 2250 pixels, the next step is very straightforward. Look for the option labeled Resize this design and give it a click. Canva will automatically resize your design to fit these new dimensions. What makes Canva so handy here is that it intelligently resizes the various elements in your design. Even with the new dimensions, it does its best to maintain the original layout and aesthetic, adapting everything to fit appropriately without much fuss. Though Canva is quite adept at doing the heavy lifting, it's always a good idea to review your resized design afterward. Occasionally, there might be minor adjustments needed to ensure everything looks just as you intended. Text boxes or images might need a little tweaking, but these are usually quick and straightforward fixes. And there you have it. You've successfully resized your image for Etsy using Canva in just a few simple steps. By making sure your images are the right size for Etsy, you're helping your customers get a better view and appreciation of your products, which can ultimately lead to better sales. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy designing and best of luck with your Etsy shop.